Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 and today I would like to show you how you can change font style. Begin by opening Devices Settings and scrolling down to access Display. Then scroll down again. Click on Font Size and Style. Go into Font Style section and tap on the best one from the list of available ones in order to apply it. As you can see, after that, style of my text has changed. But you can always go back to Font Style section and this time try something new by choosing Download Fonts at the bottom of the list. Now hit I agree or don't. Choose Continue at the bottom and download the best font style for you. I will go with this one. Hit Install at the bottom and tap on Apply right away. Or go back to the same font style settings and click on your new font over here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!